I have to share difficult news, mga kababayan. Czech authorities have informed us that Mr. Saldico is no longer in their custody.
Ibinalita yan ni Acting
Yes,
Justice Secretary
that's
Frederick
another
Vida
work of
matapos ang halos isang oras niyang pakikipagpulong sa Czech Minister of Justice, Deputy Minister of the Interior at Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs Lunes ng hapon dito sa Prague. Pero kung kailan nakalaya si Ko, hindi na raw binanggit sa kanila ng Czech counterparts.
What is his status right now? Is he free?
the exact information, he is no longer within the territory of the Czech Republic.
So he's free.
He is not within the Czech Republic.
So he
That's
is
what
free.
it He is not detained.
He is not detained, so he is free.
Yes. CTC.
Nang lumapag-an nila si Vida rito nitong Biyernes, ay nasa kustodiya pa ng Czech authorities si Ko ayon sa kanilang intelligence sources noon. Hindi anya sinabi ng Czech authorities kung saan nag-exit si Ko. Pero 4 na katabing bansa ang pwede niyang puntahan by land, ang Poland, Slovakia, Austria at Germany.
During this trip, definitely he was traveling by land. We are also aware, we got information as to the registry of the vehicle.
Ang tinitiyak ngayon ng Justice Secretary ay nananatili si Ko sa tinatawag na Schengen area base sa anyay intelligence sources.
Why can't we confirm where exactly in the Schengen area is Saldico?
Because that information was not relayed to us. The Philippine government is not without resources. Diba? That's why we get all this particular information.
Ang ipinakitang passport ni Ko nang maharang sa German border ay ang kanyang expired ng passport na naglalaman umano ng valid pang Schengen visa.
It's the one that expired September 11, 2022.
Okay.
That was the one he was in possession with when he was accosted by the authorities. The 2 other passports, one is the official passport, I believe when he was congressman, and the other passport is the one cancelled by the Philippine courts.
May leads naman daw sila pero hindi lang nila maaaring ibunyag dahil active operation ito. Ayon kay Vida, alam na ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na nakalaya si Ko. Malinaw anyang hindi nagkamali si Pangulong Marcos sa anunsyong nahuli ito.
Hindi you premature. Because when our president made that announcement, that was the facts available na narito siya sa Czech Republic.
Giit ni Vida, hindi nagkulang ang ating law enforcers. Pero iba raw sana ang naging resulta kung may hawak na tayong red notice mula sa Interpol bago siya naharang di umano sa German border.